I'll give the leader of minority first.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker, for using your discretion very, very wisely in the manner you've done. Madam Speaker, the issues raised in Honorable Olwach's statement are grave. They are extremely weighty issues that this House must get seized of. Madam Speaker, even as we speak, and from what we are reading and hearing on international media, it is not clear who made the request for the Kenyan government to send police officers to Haiti. We don't know that it is the US government. We don't know that it is the Haiti government. We don't know whether it is the UN. Even though later on the UN passed a resolution at the Security Council. But that was a very general resolution. It did not specify that Kenya was even to lead that mission. I was very keen. That Security Council resolution did not name Kenya as the leader of that mission. That very dangerous mission. So it behoves, even as we wait for the CS to come here next week to explain, we must express ourselves as a House that this is an extremely dangerous adventure. Extremely dangerous adventure, which is ill-thought, which is reckless, and which is, I would say, very careless. It is extremely careless of whoever has conceived of this very, very ill-conceived notion. Madam Speaker, I conclude that even as the CS comes, let the House register its feelings. And there's no point of trying to say, no. Just wait. You will talk, Honorable Pukose. Yes. As far as I know, you have got no expertise on Haiti matters. Just relax and deal with the health issues. Yeah. Madam Speaker, I'm speaking from a point of authority and knowledge. Yes. We cannot use our children as guinea pigs on an international arena. Our children cannot be used as guinea pigs on an international arena. Why can't the US send its policemen to Haiti, which is next door? Haiti is just next door. They can even go by boat.
Thank you, Minority Leader. Honorable Member for